So what does she need to do?
Walk.
Walk?
Nature. Grounding.
Okay.
The grounding is absent. It's winter.
How should she ground now then?
It's cold on your feet. When you try to ground, you'll be with the trees.
Touch the trees?
Touch the trees.
That's very helpful. She's not doing that now.
Sometimes.
But she needs to do it
new.
more.
Mm-hmm.
The grounding in nature is a new thing for her.
No. Connecting to it scientifically is new. Understanding its power is new.
She's done it before, but didn't know she was doing something for herself.
Intentionally grounding. Not in winter. It's cold. She's been absent.
But she can do that now anyway when it's cold.
Absolutely. It's necessary.
Necessary for what?
For well-being. To help eliminate these feelings of doubt and insecurities.